Witness the unbelievable acceleration of innovation as technology thought impossible just yesterday becomes today's reality. The evidence is everywhere: groundbreaking future energy, machines controlled by thought, ambitious space exploration, and revolutionary propulsion systems. These creations are more than just new devices. They defy logic and confirm that the future is no longer a concept, it's here. What was once confined to science fiction is now actively disrupting industries and transforming daily life. Join us to explore the radical advancements that are pushing technology beyond its perceived limits and establishing science fiction as a living, breathing reality. The Deep Robotics X30 is a rugged quadruped robot built for essential industrial operations and fieldwork in environments too hazardous or inaccessible for human workers. Engineered for reliability, the X30 boasts an IP67 rating for dust and water protection and functions in extreme temperatures ranging from -20°C to 55°C. Its superior locomotion allows it to climb open industrial stairs, manage 45-degree slopes, and step over 20-centimeter obstacles, making it ideal for navigating tunnels, factories, and construction zones. A crucial component is the robot's fusion perception system, which uses visible light and thermal imaging for intelligent mapping, obstacle avoidance, and autonomous movement day or night. With speeds up to 4 meters per second and a swappable battery offering up to 4 hours of runtime, it is designed for extended missions. The X30 is an established solution, currently used in Singapore as Spock to autonomously inspect underground power tunnels. Its deployment signals a major advance for robotics in industrial safety and maintenance globally.
Vertechs AXON is the definitive big data analytics platform for the oil and gas sector, designed to transform well engineering via artificial intelligence, AI. The platform's strength lies in its ability to unify diverse data, including live sensor data, drilling logs, and field notes, to provide real-time operational insight. AXON continuously monitors and compares plan versus actual performance, allowing it to quickly identify costly inefficiencies and anomalies, thereby drastically reducing non-productive time, NPT.
In a key move toward technological self-reliance, the CA1 Europa, a product of the Helsing and Grau Aircraft Partnership, is said to become the backbone of Europe's future defense strategy. This next-generation autonomous combat jet redefines capabilities through an unparalleled level of AI integration. At its heart is the Helsing Centaur AI pilot system, which grants the mid-size UCAV full autonomy for navigation, complex tactical choices, and combat execution. The Europa's engineering is centered on modularity. Its airframe is built for flexibility, featuring internal payload bays that can be quickly outfitted with mission-specific sensors, weapons, or electronic warfare equipment. This adaptability makes it suitable for virtually any mission scenario. The jet's stealth-optimized design, including unique cranked wings and angled surfaces, ensures low radar visibility, and its rugged construction allows for deployment from unconventional, dispersed areas. The CA1 Europa is a clear expression of European independence, designed to fly solo or within coordinated swarms alongside traditional aircraft, establishing a new, highly deployable standard for modern air warfare. Plenty is revolutionizing agriculture with advanced vertical farming, utilizing stacked indoor towers where crops grow in a fully controlled environment, free from soil and weather dependency. This high-tech method uses robotics, LED lighting, and precise climate management to achieve stunning efficiency, requiring less than 1% of the land and vastly less water compared to traditional farming. The scale of their impact is clear at the Compton, California facility, which can yield over 4.5 million pounds of fresh greens each year, providing exceptional same-day freshness to retailers like Walmart and Whole Foods. Plenty is also investing heavily in future development. The Wyoming Research Center is focused on developing new vertical farm crop varieties and enhancing quality through data science. Their commitment to global sustainability is highlighted by their expansion into the Middle East, where they are demonstrating the ability to sustainably grow water-intensive crops like strawberries, close to consumers in arid climates. The Vertiv CoolPhase Flex redefines scalable thermal management for next-generation computing infrastructure, specifically targeting AI, HPC, and hyperscale data centers. It's a powerful hybrid system that expertly combines air and liquid cooling within a single outdoor packaged unit. What makes it essential for evolving data centers is its upgrade path. Based on the proven Libera DSSE line, operators have the freedom to initiate operations with air cooling and then seamlessly transition to liquid cooling in a matter of hours without needing additional components or operational interruption. With up to 400 kilowatts of capacity, the system maximizes energy efficiency through variable speed compressors and includes pumped refrigerant economization for optimal free cooling when ambient conditions allow.
By moving the self-contained unit outdoors, the CoolPhase Flex preserves precious indoor white space while ensuring data centers are fully prepared for increasing power densities and future AI workloads. Imagine a fleet of robotic scouts preparing the way for humans on Mars. That is the essence of Skyfall, a cutting-edge mission concept from AeroVironment and NASA JPL. Skyfall calls for 6 autonomous helicopters to work together, conducting extensive aerial surveys to map the planet and, crucially, find reserves of water and ice that will sustain future crewed missions. Building on the foundation laid by Ingenuity, Skyfall elevates Martian exploration with its innovative deployment method. The signature Skyfall maneuver allows the entire helicopter fleet to detach from their entry capsule mid-descent and perform a complex autonomous landing. This is a game-changer, removing the need for a bulky separate lander and simplifying the overall mission. Equipped with advanced cameras and radar, the helicopters will create precise 3D terrain maps and scan for subsurface materials, offering a high-agility distributed aerial intelligence that promises to revolutionize how we scout the red planet.
The Willow quantum chip is Google Quantum AI's newest processor, featuring 105 superconducting transmon qubits and representing a huge stride in error-corrected quantum computing. Its core innovation is below-threshold scaling, a breakthrough where adding more qubits actually causes error rates to decrease exponentially, solving a fundamental challenge of quantum stability. The chip showcased its power by performing a random circuit sampling task in less than 5 minutes, a calculation so complex it would take a classical supercomputer over 10 septillion years. This clearly demonstrates a new degree of quantum advantage. Willow also features important hardware upgrades, including enhanced coherence times and better integration of its quantum components for more stable function. While its full potential remains to be unlocked, such as cracking RSA encryption, Willow confirms a transition in the industry, moving from theoretical physics to the development of powerful, fault-tolerant, and practically usable quantum machines.
The MagRail Booster by Novomo is a groundbreaking retrofit system that enables traditional freight wagons to operate autonomously without a locomotive. It achieves this by integrating advanced linear motor propulsion directly into the existing rail tracks. The system's design installs a motor stator along the line and equips wagons with the necessary control electronics, allowing each unit to independently accelerate, brake, and synchronize via an intelligent command and control unit, even on non-electrified tracks. MagRail Booster significantly enhances railway operations by increasing train frequency, boosting flexibility for last-mile logistics and industrial areas, and eliminating locomotive dependency. Proven in pilot projects in Germany and Poland, MagRail Booster offers a practical, non-disruptive method to modernize rail freight by leveraging existing infrastructure and rolling stock. The European Space Agency's ESA Future Space Transport Ecosystem is creating a revolutionary modular, reusable, and interoperable space logistics network. Developed under the Future Launchers Preparatory Program, the goal is to stop relying on one-off rocket launches. Instead, ESA envisions a permanent, interconnected system using orbital hubs as central depots for satellite refueling, repair, and maintenance. Operating on a hub-and-spoke model, autonomous transfer vehicles will move payloads between these orbital stations, or out to destinations like the Moon. Development is structured across specific technological focus areas: BEST for reusable boosters, THRUST for propulsion systems, FIRST for breakthrough ideas, and InSpock for in-space mission demonstrations. By focusing on industry involvement and standardized interfaces, the ecosystem represents a major shift towards sustainable and autonomous space service operations. The TAE Norm Fusion Machine is TAE Technologies' cutting-edge experimental device aimed at simplifying the path to clean fusion energy. It operates using a beam-driven field reverse configuration and marks a major technical achievement. It is the first system to generate heat and stabilize plasma entirely via neutral beam injection. This method allows for a highly simplified design that is more compact and efficient than its predecessor, Norman, by removing the need for complex end components. Norm's architecture supports steady-state operations and successfully maintains stable, fusion-relevant plasma at necessary temperature thresholds. The machine is a critical testbed, validating the advanced power systems, active controls, and stabilization mechanisms slated for TAE's future Copernicus reactor. Crucially, Norm demonstrates the potential for sustainable commercial fusion by utilizing hydrogen-boron fuel, which produces virtually no radioactive waste. Microfluidic cooling is a revolutionary method of thermal management that moves cooling from the outside to the inside. It integrates microscopic channels directly within or near semiconductor chips, allowing coolant to attack heat precisely at its source.
This direct etching of microchannels into the silicon enables heat to dissipate far more efficiently than with external heat sinks. The performance gains are substantial. One key demonstration showed that microfluidic systems could remove heat 3 times faster and lower peak chip temperatures by almost 65%. This technology is vital for modern multi-layered 3D integrated circuits, offering balanced thermal control between stacked layers and reducing the energy spent on pumping. By embedding cooling into the silicon itself, microfluidic systems are fundamentally redefining chip performance and setting new, lower thermal limits.
Hasham Al-Ghali's Cognify facility concept offers a radical glimpse into the future of justice, proposing a system where AI and neuroscience replace traditional physical punishment. Cognify seeks to achieve rehabilitation in minutes, not years, by using technology to bypass long-term incarceration. The core of the process is the use of an AI to craft and implant artificial memories that make the offender experience the full emotional impact, including guilt, remorse, and empathy, of their crimes from the victim's point of view. This is achieved through initial brain mapping and the delivery of highly detailed sensory sequences via neural implants or immersive DIR. The proposed facilities themselves are futuristic, barless spaces emphasizing mental control over physical restraint. Though purely conceptual, Cognify forces a critical discussion on morality and justice, particularly regarding the ethical pitfalls of altering an individual's identity, issues of consent, and the potential for abuse of such potent neural technology.
The Phantom 3500 is Auto Aviation's super mid-sized business jet, engineered from the ground up to merge luxury, speed, and environmental responsibility. Its innovative design features advanced laminar flow aerodynamics that drastically cut drag by 35%, leading to superior efficiency and performance. The aircraft's ultra-smooth skin is maintained by replacing traditional windows with supernatural vision, high-definition displays that provide real-time exterior views. Primarily built with lightweight carbon fiber composites, the Phantom 3500 delivers a range over 3,000 nautical miles and a cruising altitude of 51,000 feet. Designed for 9 passengers, the 6.5-foot high cabin is exceptionally quiet. By utilizing sustainable aviation fuel, or SAF, the jet lowers carbon emissions by as much as 60%. The Phantom 3500 truly represents the future of responsible private air travel.
The CATL Freevoy dual-power battery ushers in a new multi-power standard for EVs and hybrids using a groundbreaking dual-zone design. By operating with 2 fully independent energy sections, each with separate voltages, cooling, and safety systems, the battery offers both power redundancy and the ability for vehicles to dynamically optimize output, switching between efficient range and rapid energy delivery. The most transformative innovation is the self-forming anode, which structurally enhances the battery during initial charge cycles. This results in dramatically increased energy density, up to 60% higher volumetric and 50% higher gravimetric performance over preceding technologies. The Freevoy supports strategic chemistry pairings, such as LFP with sodium ion for -40 Celsius cold weather resilience, or NCM with LFP for maximum range and high power. With industry-leading features like 12C fast charging, this adaptive and enduring battery is confirmed for deployment in upcoming models from Li Auto, Geely, and Chery.
Imagine a future where global shipping drastically cuts its carbon footprint. That future is embodied by the Oceanbird Orcelle wind. This revolutionary wind-powered ro-ro vessel uses clean energy to transport over 7,000 vehicles and heavy machinery, representing a major shift in maritime transport. The vessel is equipped with 6 enormous, aerodynamically optimized Oceanbird wing sails. These rigid composite structures, some standing 40 meters high like the Wing 560, are engineered to perfectly capture the wind and are sustainably built from recycled materials. The result is astonishing, a potential reduction in emissions of up to 90%. Backed by the EU's Horizon Europe program, the design prioritizes performance and safety. Advanced weather routing maximizes energy efficiency, while the unique ability to fold the wings ensures the ship remains safe and operational, even through severe storms. The Orcelle wind truly showcases the viability of a sustainable wind-powered future for large-scale ocean transport.